Hello, Florida.
I love Orlando. It is the most magical city on the planet. And magic connections happen at VIPKid every day.
Today is your day. It's your teacher journey.
Not only are events happening throughout the day, free workshops, fun activities, but we hope you leave here full of inspiration to keep teaching those students.
How cool is it to see Lingo Bus students and VIPKid students together?
Today is also to celebrate the 5-year magic of VIPKid.
Happy 5-year anniversary, VIPKid!
We are celebrating how far we've come and where we're going.
On behalf of the citizens of this community, I hereby proclaim September 29th, 2018 as Sending Me and VIPKid Day in the city of Orlando!
We are truly grateful for your passion and dedication. So let's continue to go on this journey together. Thank you.